So I started Manready Mercantile in 2012, and I began by making soy candles and reusable whiskey glasses in my apartment. So we opened up our first brick and mortar here in the heart of the Houston Heights at 321 West 19th Street, and we got our own manufacturing facility a few miles down the road from here, and that's where we make a lot of the products you'll see at Manready Mercantile. In a city that's really diverse like Houston, we never know who's going to come in the shop, who's going to support our business. We never know who we're going to get the opportunity to support by finding some of these brands that you'll see on our shelves at flea markets or trade shows. I think it's extremely important to buy local, supporting your community, supporting people in your backyard. That's the name of the game for us. By people uniting and doing things together, you can just get a whole lot more done. And we've built a really strong foundation here at Manready Mercantile. And every day we embrace the future, we learn, we grow, we evolve, work as one to get the job done and build a better future here in Houston.